Hi there, Tommy Olsson here. It's late here, but I thought I should just do this video about if it's easy to make money online when you first start out, and you can feel a bit confused and overwhelmed and don't know who's telling you the truth about what works. And then there's those products that launches every now and then, and there are good products out there, and they're less good and some bad. I'm not here to point any fingers or anything like that, but there's a lot of products saying an easy way to make money, and some work to an extent, but there's also some hype going on about that. But if you're just starting out and you're struggling, but if you really want to make it, if you really want to make a living from home and make it online in online marketing, then don't give up. But I just want to be honest and say that it's not always that easy before you know what to do, before you have got the skills to make sales and so on. I'm not trying to make you change your mind about working as an online marketer, work marketer. I just want to be transparent and honest to say that we all have a learning curve, and it isn't that easy all the time. Even the most successful people in this business have struggled sometime, but as long as you learn from your mistakes and keep on learning, and you'll be fine. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you feel like subscribing, if you want to do that, that's fine. I appreciate it. Talk to you later. Bye bye.